Hello again, boys and girls. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. If you remember yesterday, we learned all about how readers reread to notice more. Today, we're going to talk about how we can read and make connections in the story between one part and another part. Let me show you. If you remember, we read the story of Iris and Walter and the field trip. On this page, we notice that Walter is staring at a coral reef. Well, a few pages later, where did they find Walter? Yep, they found him at the coral reef. He was staring at the fish and all the things in the aquarium. So as a reader, I can make the connection between where Walter went missing. We know that he never really went missing. He was just standing there, but he was lost because nobody knew where he was. But they found him standing in the same place. Let's practice it a little bit together, making these connections in our story. Okay. If you remember, last week you heard George and Martha one more time. And one of these stories, in the very first one, George and Martha go see a movie. Martha was so scared, but George said everyone likes scary movies. On this page, George bends down to get his glasses. And Martha says, "You don't wear glasses." And on this page, George is white as a sheet. When you're white as a sheet, do you know what that means? You're probably scared of something, right? I want you to take a second and think about how this page, where he bends down to get his glasses, and this page, when he's white as a sheet, could be connected to each other. Did you figure it out? That's right. You were right. George was very scared on this page. That's why he must have bent down. And on this page, the author is showing us in the words and the pictures that he's scared because he's white as a sheet, which is the way we know when somebody might be scared. We're going to practice this in our stories today as we're rereading stories we've already read before. We're going to connect parts of our story together. Today, while you're reading, boys and girls, I want you to look and see if you can notice where there might be some trouble in the story and how the author might have been showing you along the way how that character was going to solve the problem. You can use Post-its like I did and mark where the trouble may have started and then how the trouble ended. Or you can just remember and then share with somebody in your family, another adult, a place where you connected parts of the story together. Are you ready? Okay, off you go. Get reading. Bye.